Light language transmission to activate more of your light body. Shiki, go 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 da 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 shiki, we are opening your ori. We are opening more of your throat chakra right now, you see. Light body is being activated, you see. Eat food that keeps you light. The more you eat food that's keeping you denser, it's hard for you to access your full memory and activate your full Akashic intelligence. Get out in the sun and meditate in the sun, because it's going to give you information and it's going to give you vitamin D to activate more of your creativity. Be in gratitude. The more you are in gratitude, this is when source of creation is going to bring more receiving through material things, spiritual things, emotional things, so you can be on your heaven on earth frequency. Transmission is now complete.